Hi there, I'm Flavia and I hope you're having a great day. Today in this video I will be showing you the surprise behind door number 5 of Spellbinders 2024 Crafty Advent Calendar. This is my first time playing with a Crafty Advent Calendar and I must say it has been a lot of fun finding out what the surprises are behind each door, and I am very pleased with these surprises so far. As we can see here, today we have 2 border die plates. I'm pretty sure I will be using this one a lot, not only to make note cards but also to decorate the flap of the envelopes, which I think is very important. I think that the envelope should represent the note card that it is inside, and we should always give it a little bit of attention by either decorating it with die cut elements, hot foiling, or simply stamping a sentiment. Off screen I cut out some of these borders from Spellbinders Mirror Gold Cardstock, which is one of my favorites golden cardstock, and it looks amazing in person. Taped to my desk is an A2 size note card. I used Spellbinders best ever craft tape so we won't tear the cardstock when I'm ready to remove it. Along with these gorgeous border die cuts, I will also be using some leftover die cut flowers from day 3 and a sentiment banner from day 4. If you have missed any of those videos, know that you can find a playlist in the description box down below. Since I am not really sure what I want to do right now, I will temporarily place each die cut where I think I want it to go, and once I'm sure I like the placement, I will take a picture with my iPad since I'm using my cell phone to record this video, and I will refer to this picture later when it is time to glue each die cut piece down in place. To the front of my note card, I will glue a panel that I cut out from Spellbinders cardstock in the color Barely Peach. I love this soft color and I think it will go very well with the orange die cut flowers. To do this, I like to place the note card on the corner of my scoring board so I can quickly line up the note card with the panel. This is a great trick and it definitely makes the process easier. To add some sparkle to the front of my note card, I will splatter some metallic paint and heat set it with my heating gun before adding the die cut pieces. To adhere each die cut, I like to use the Barely Art glue and the help of a pair of self-lock tweezers to hold the small die cuts. I also added foam adhesive to the back of some of these flowers for dimension, but you can definitely skip that step if you want to. If you have been watching my videos lately, you probably know that one of my favorite die sets of 2024 is the Spellbinders A2 gift card holder and envelope die set. Comes with metal plates to make a pocket-shaped envelope, and I use it all the time to make my custom envelopes. And I will use it today to make an envelope for today's note card. A couple of months ago, I purchased this 12 by 12 cardstock pack from Amazon, and this is what I have been using for making my envelopes. These pages are not too thick or not too thin, which I think it is just perfect for making envelopes. It is very inexpensive and it comes with various colors of cardstock. I highly recommend it for making custom envelopes, so you can save your specialty cardstock for only using it to make note cards. Just so you're not confused, I cut out the 12 by 12 pages to 8.5 by 11 inches just to fit this plastic pocket holder, which is how I store most of my cardstock. However, the original size of this paper was definitely 12 by 12 inches. And of course, I saved the leftover cardstock pieces for die cutting. To make the envelope, we only need to cut out these 2 pieces and fold the largest one following the engraved lines that the metal plate created on the cardstock. We can either make an envelope with a landscape or portrait orientation, which I think think is fantastic, and I usually match the envelope orientation with the orientation of the note card that will go inside. Whenever making my own envelope, I also like to add a strip of 1/4 inches wide double-sided adhesive to the flap of the envelope to make it easier to seal it later when it is time to mail the note card. Here is a closer look at the completed note card, and I hope you enjoyed this video and felt inspired. You can find in the description box down below a list of all products used in this video, and on the 24th I will be releasing a blog post with pictures of all note cards created with the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I hope to see you again tomorrow for the review of door number 6. Take care and happy crafting!